There, before we let you go now, because I know you're a very busy man. Tommy, how's Tommy doing? Is he on the naughty or nice list?
Well, the first present I brought him was an O'Neill's football.
And he went into rugby.
And he deviated to another sport. I was very upset with him. And he was quite good at the old football.
He was. And Muireann, how's Muireann doing?
She's apparently married next year.
Oh, she got married next year.
I heard the man's a nice guy. A nice fella.
He's a nice guy,
Yeah.
Nobody's seen him, but he's a nice guy.
Yeah, I only
And what about Alan?
I bought him toys years ago, of course. Alan, the sausage man.
Yeah, the sausage.
Mr. Sausages. Sure, he's never there.
Oh!
He's never there.
So he's definitely on the naughty list.
As you are, Deric, by the way.
I know. Come on now, Santa. I've been very good travelling around the country this year.
There was a few incidents. We won't discuss them on camera.
There was a slope incident there for 2 weeks. We won't. Anyway, Santa, look, I know you have a big night coming up next.
Thank you so much.
Best of luck with all your elves here as well.
Thank
and the reindeer,
you.
Mrs.
They are
Claus.
absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, back to you as
Wonderful.
Ho,
Thank you so much. Bye.
I tell you what, the gossip is out. Muireann's getting married next year.
Is Santa going into wedding planning? Is this what I'm getting for Christmas? He's going to organise my wedding. Because if he decides to, because I'm not doing it, I'll tell you that much.
We know what you've written on your letter to Santa, that's why. Thank you so much for that, Deric. Fair play to you. And Santa as well, taking time out.
And he's very upset with you.
Yeah, that's right. I went
into the
different
rugby.
sport. I was a hell of a footballer back in the day.
And he doesn't mind if he says it. No
Not
modesty
quite.
here.
Not
No
quite.
modesty here. Anyone from Monaghan could let us know if he was any good. 0896 111. Let us know his secrets. Thank you, Santa. That was a joy, an utter joy.